These are federal changes that I'm going to be talking about. So states are going to be different. Your state may not be adopting this, or maybe not be adopting what the federal government is recommending. So it is going to require you to check. Okay, and again, I'm always here. If you want to work with me, I would help you through that process. Okay, but otherwise you want to check with your states and see what they're doing. But I'm going to tell you what the federal is doing. Okay, so the first thing is, if you have not filed your taxes yet, you have more time. You have quite a bit more time. So the federal government, the IRS, has extended the tax filing until July 15. So you have until July 15. So you can breathe easy now. You don't have to stress about getting it in. And there's a great things that they put in place with this. So one of the things is this, that if you don't file, by the 15th of April, and you go with July 15th, they're not going to penalize you. You're not going to get penalties. There's not going to be extra interest. So none of that is going to happen. So that gives you more time. Now, this is one thing I do want to say, and what many have been saying, in regards to this. The fact is, if you have a refund coming, though, you really don't want to wait till July 15th, right? So if you have one, it's recommended. It is really urged. I really urge you to get your taxes done by April 15th or way before July 15th, and get your refund. Get your money. Get your money, okay? I did my taxes already. I got my refund. I got it a while ago. I did it early, but you don't have to wait. And I recommend you don't, because you want to have that money. If you're getting a refund, you want that to be ready to put it to your bank account, so you can have it for you right now during this time period as an extra cushion. And so one of the things is, if you do not know if you are due a refund, that's something you want to find out. You can do that on your own, or I do have a course in the Master Your Money course. I have a master class in there that talks about taxes and what to use and how to figure out if you have a refund. Or you can ask someone or you could just go ahead and file. But again, you may owe money. But again, even though you may owe, because of the extension, you would not have to pay it prior to July 15th. They are extending it. So if you want to go ahead, get your taxes done now, get your money if you have a refund. And if you owe, then you just will wait until July 15th. It's not going to be due until that due time period. The other thing about this is, though, so if you owe, you don't have to do it until then. If you figure you need even more time than July 15, because there's a lot of things going on, you're not really sure about your money situation, maybe you're up in the air about a lot of things, which many of us are right now, then you can ask for more time, but make sure you do it before July 15, okay? So instead of April 15th, the normal, just treat July 15th as a new date. Make sure you're going to do anything that you normally would do before then. If you need extension to file, if you want to file, and again, if you have a refund, I say do it earlier, okay?